Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add your own custom username on Bluesky. Whether you want something professional, quirky or totally unique, creating a custom username is a perfect way to stand out in the crowd. So in this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set it up. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. All you need is a domain name and I will guide you through the rest. If you don't already have a domain, don't worry, it's super easy to get one. Just visit a domain registrar and you can start exploring creative options. For example, if you're a streamer, consider .tv, or if you're an artist, .art is a great choice. Prices vary depending on the domain extension, so shop around. Once you have got a domain, it's time to link it to Bluesky. Here's how. Launch your Bluesky. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the left corner, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of settings. Here you're gonna find the option of change handle and choose I have my own domain. Enter the domain name you purchase. Bluesky will then give you a DNS record to add to your domain settings. At the moment, I don't have any domain, so it is not showing anything over here. But following these steps, you will be able to set a custom username. Once you're on this page, now you have to log into the website where you bought a domain and navigate to the DNS settings or name server section. Add a new TXT record with the details Bluesky provided. After adding the DNS record, go back to Bluesky and click Verify DNS record. If everything's correct, your domain will be verified. Once verified, update your handle to your custom domain name. You can set it to whatever you like. And now you have got a personalized professional handle on Bluesky that helps you stand out. Whether you are a creator, artist, or tech enthusiast, this feature is game changer. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.